Hey YouTubers, today we have an easy one. We're replacing the filters on this water inline filter system. This is for the Premier water filters. These have 3 different filters that you need to replace. So I'm just turning this valve underneath the sink to turn off the water pressure. And it's pretty easy. We just press in on a button to release these old cartridges. Press in pretty hard and then you pull down, and I'm going to take off this cartridge here in the very back. Pushed in with my thumb. Gonna wiggle the cartridge down, and I'll take the cartridge and I'll go ahead and turn it upside down in the sink so I can drain all the water out, because I'll be throwing these out. I don't want them to be full of water. Here's the new one that's going to be going in. We have a link in the description below if you'd like to order this kit. It comes with 3 new filters that you change every 6 months, and it actually has a couple of extra filters that you change every year. So I'm going to push in the new cartridge, and then I'll repeat it with all 3 of these. You got to take off the wrapping. There's like a little cap you take off, put that away, and then you can go ahead and press in on that button again, kind of wiggle it down, and then you can just pour that into the sink upside down, and the new one just pops in there. It's pretty quick and easy. So they really want you to replace these 3 every 6 months. Click that in. All right, here comes the 3rd one. Should just take you a few minutes. So I'm just making sure they're fully seated. I like to write on with a marker on the outside of the filter closest to me the date that I did it last time. This one said January 2022. So turn it upside down. These are really good filters from the Premier. It's a company, but they filter out everything. These are the other ones that you come with it that you replace yearly. Same thing, just take off the wrapper, twist off the top, and then we're just going to push up. I'm also going to push up on the housing, my other hand, because it's a little bit loose. And we're pretty much done. All we got to do now is just turn the water valve back on. We just reach in there and turn that valve lefty-loosey. Then you want to turn on the sink, and you'll have a bunch of air shooting out for a minute, and then you have water shooting out. Like to have that water run for about 5 minutes would be good. Make sure all the junk comes out.
Thanks so much for watching our video today. I hope that this video has saved you some time and money. And if so, could you please press down in the video description below the donation link and send us a donation so we can keep this service going. Thanks again. And if you have any questions about this repair, could you contact me at scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.